Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in this video we are going to discuss about how to reverse a number in Java. For example, we have an input number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after reverse this number the output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then what steps we need to do to reverse the number? So first I will take the input from user, that is number, and in the next step I will initialize a reverse number, and initialize reverse number value will be 0 to store the output. And in the next step here I will use while loop to perform the iteration, and this will be continue until number is greater than 0. And inside while loop I will perform operation like reverse number value will be updated, and here reverse number will be multiplied by 10, and here I will add reminder of number modulus of 10. Here I will add its reminder, and after that I will update the number, that is user input, and number will be divided by 10. And after completion of this iteration here I will print its output, that is reverse number. Okay, let's start to begin the code. So first here in Eclipse, first here I will create one class, that is reverse number. And inside this class I will declare main method, and here I will use scanner class to take the input from user, and here I will just print a statement, enter a number, and here I will declare one variable that will store the input from user, int number is equal to sc dot next int function I will call, and here I will print this input number, and the next step what we need to do here, first I will initialize reverse number, that will be 0, and now I need to use while loop for perform iteration, and while loop will be continue up to number is greater than 0. And inside while loop I will update the reverse number value, and here I do the operation reverse number multiply by 10, and will add the reminder of number by 10, and the next we need to change the number value and will divide the number by 10, and after completing the iteration, here I will print the output. Out reverse number. Now I will run this application. Enter a number. So here I will enter 1 2 3 4 5, and you can see the output here is 5 4 3 2 1. Here how this operation is performing, I will debug the code and show you how it's acting. Debug as Java application. First we need to enter a number. So here I am entering number 1 2 3 4 5, and the first time what will happen, the number will be initialized, reverse number will be 0, and it will enter into while loop because our number value is 1 2 3 4 and it is greater than 0, and here reverse number is 0, so 0 into 10 will be 0, and here I will plus reminder. When I will do this operation 1 2 3 5 modulus of 10, then the remainder will be 4 in first iteration, and here you can check reverse number value will be 4. And the next step, we need to divide the number by 10. So here the output will be 1 2 3 while performing first iteration, and number will be changed and it will be 1 2 3. Here you can see numbers value 1 2 3, and in the next iteration 1 2 3 is greater than 0, then it will again enter, and this time reverse number value was 4 into 10 40, and now we need to add the remainder 40 plus, and the remainder will be 1 2 3, and the remainder will be 3, so the output will be 43. And now we will check reverse number value, that is 43, and our number was 1 2 3. When we will divide by 10, it will be update and it will be 12. So here we can check it, number is 12, and the condition will be true and it will enter, and in the next iteration 43 multiply by 10, and the remainder will be add, and the remainder will be number value is 12, and so remainder will be 2. So here 432, 43 into 10 430 plus 2. So here reverse number value will be changed and it will be 432. Here we can check reverse number value is 432, and when we will divide 12 by 10, then the output will be 1. And now the number value is 1, that is greater than 0, so the condition will be true and iteration will perform. Here 432 will be multiplied by 10, and here we will add the remainder, number is 1, modulus of 10 will be 1, so the output will be 4 3 2 1. And in the next step, number will be 1 divided by 10, that will be 0. And now the condition will be false because 0 is not greater than 0. So now the output will be print. And here we can see input is 1 2 3 5 and the output is 4 3 2 1. Like this we can debug. And another way to reverse the number is we can also use string buffer or string builder classes. But before, we need to change the input into string value, and then we can use string buffer or string builder class reverse method to change the output. Like this we can do also. Here we will take string buffer class sb is equal to new string buffer, and here I will convert integer into string. So here I will use string dot value of method that will convert the int into string. And that will be string dot value of. And now what I will do here, I will use sb dot reverse function I will call here. Now we need to store its reverse value into a string. So here I will declare a variable that will store its reverse value, and here we need to print its output, and no need to use this variable. Now I will run this application. Enter a number. Here I will enter 1 2 3 4 5, and here you can see the output is reverse 4 5 3 2 1. Okay, thanks for watching this video.